Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
Today we will see how we can buy Instagram followers for our Instagram profile, or that is from best SMM panel. And I have showed all the procedures that how we can log in to this best SMM panel, and how we can do our ad funds things. If you missed our previous videos, then go to our BDIT domain YouTube channel, and from that channel you will get all those videos whatever you have missed, and you'll get all those videos about digital marketing and Canva tutoring tips and tricks, also automation testing, live classes. So do not miss our any videos, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and share to others. So today we will see how we can buy our Instagram followers. For that you need to log into your account, and that is on SMM panel. And here you need to, first of all, you need to add your funds from there, and that is you can add your funds through Bikash, Rocket, Nogod, credit card, debit card, or Mastercard, or they have lots of option. Whatever you want to use, you can go with anything, and you can add your funds through these options. So I have showed that how we can add our funds through Bikash, because I live in Bangladesh. So it is the easiest way to add my funds through Bikash. So if you missed my videos, go to our channel, you will get this video also. And now, without your funding, you can't buy any followers or views from this panel. So it you must be add your fund here first, then you go to your order section. So this is our order section, and I am clicking on this new order section, and from there I am adding this category section. Let me add the category section. So today we will add our Instagram categories. So yesterday I have showed that how we can add our Facebook categories, and how we can buy Facebook followers for our Facebook page. So if you missed, you can go to miss that video, you can go to our channel and you will get that video also. So today we will buy for Instagram followers. Let's see what they are providing us.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos, and to get notification, click the bell icon.